Everyone, welcome to another House Caraan video. Sa video na to, pag-usapan natin yung mga challenges ng online learning and paano sila ma-overcome. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Everyone, my name is Daddy Lester.
And I'm Mami Bell.
We are House Caraan, and on this channel we talk about parenting, kids, and family life. So if you're interested with those kinds of topics, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell para update kayo sa mga future videos. So with that out of the way, gusto namin i-share sa inyo yung aming mga challenges and yung mga solutions na rin na
Which I'm sure the other parents are also experiencing that challenges.
sa natin sa pinakamalaking pagbabago last 2020 and nag-carry over pa rin ng 2021 is yung ating online classes. And even for workplaces, including us, is nag-work from home. Since it's new, it's challenging, pero it doesn't mean na wala siyang solusyon. So, pag-usapan natin siya dito sa video na to. The most common challenge that you'll face is yung technical. Meaning, syempre sa ngayon, we have
Mga stuff like cables, paano pag-connect yung internet, yung proper gadget na gagamitin ng kids natin, the
Siyempre,
applications.
bago lahat, usually yung Zoom, itong for a lot of parents, ngayon lang nalalag yung mga Zoom, yung Webex, yung Microsoft Teams, or whatever yung video calling app na ginagamit natin, and yung sa Google Meet, sa Google.
So, a lot of parents are struggling to work around on those applications, yung mga learning management system na ginagamit. It's really a challenge for the parents and also for the kids. Kahit yung mga teachers, ano din sila?
Bago din sa kanila.
Bago din sa kanila yun.
So the obvious solution of course is yung aralin natin sila, di ba? Really take time to study, to research, and to know more about, and to test. Nandiyan din yung, kasi may camera kung bago, minsan may mga microphone pa. Pero one thing to note is, expect na magkakaroon ng technical problem. So what do you do kapag ganon? The most important thing for both sides is to be informed na, for example, na-disconnect yung anak mo. Make sure na ma-chat mo kaagad or ma-text or whatever way na ma-contact mo yung teacher na nalalag out siya or they're having technical difficulties. Kasi sila yung maiwan kapag hindi sila nakaka-catch up. And even yung teacher, they wouldn't know kung hindi natin sila ma-inform.
For your kids, especially if your kids are already like sa amin, junior high and elementary, grade 4. So, yung mga basic like pag-switch ng speaker from internal speaker to headphone, yung simpleng ng mga jack, and pag-open ng application, dapat alam na nila yon. Since ito na yung new normal, dapat maging familiar na din sila. So, sa amin, yung mga kids namin, kasi busy din kami, kanya-kanya kami computer, pag nag-work, sila nang bahala nun. Pag kailangan na naka-loudspeaker yung nila, kailangan naka-headphone, kailangan mag-log in to their web calling application, nakalagay na doon yung mga password, naka-ready na yun, at sila nang bahala doon. Sa mga kinder natin, sa mga babies na mas maliit, tayo talaga yun. Pero with your kids na kaya na, then we should teach
Give them the
them.
responsibility.
Yes, we should give them the responsibility.
Alright, so second challenge is yung distraction at time management. Okay pa ngayon dati yung agang gumigising, tapos in our case, may service sila. Napansin namin na talagang nagbago yung body clock nila eh. Parang they can afford na mas magpuyat, which we don't recommend. We'll be honest, talagang minsan nalilate pa rin sila doon sa online class nila, which is
ang hirap kasi i-distinguish ngayon yung time. Kasi nasa bahay lang talaga sila. Unlike before, parang required sila talagang gumising kasi may iwanan sila ng service. Ngayon, kami honestly, naging challenge namin yung pagising nila sa umaga. Kasi na-relax sila na sa bahay lang naman. Yung kahit nasa bahay pa lang, di ba, the usual na nakapaligo lang sila, naka-uniform na sila sa klase. Pero may mga times din na yung anak namin nagigising ng late, hindi nakakaabot sa unang klase. Nangyari talaga yun.
Anong solusyon natin doon sa distraction and time management? Kami, ang unang ginawa namin talaga is we had a dedicated place para doon sa kanilang online class. Yung space namin sa baba na used to be, ayun yung namin, parang terrace namin. Pinasaraduhan na namin talaga siya. Minimize yung sound kasi maingay pa rin. Pero at least, mas less yung distraction nila and mas nakakapag-focus sila dun sa kanilang schooling. And isa pa sa ginawa ko is yung I gave them yung over-the-air na headphone Kasi mas less yung noise nun. Ang mas naririnig lang nila is kung ano yung pinag-uusapan sa class. Kasi kapag ang ginagamit natin is yung mga usual headphone, ayun, talagang you hear everything, distracting talaga. Sa pinaka-challenging, paglilimit nung
gadget.
Nung ginagawa nila sa
Very
gabi.
challenging talaga sa amin yun, yung paglilimit. Kasi, like yung eldest ko, meron na siyang sariling phone. So, yung pag-games and pag-games and pag-school is medyo naging challenge sa amin yun. Talagang consistent monitoring
And
reminder na kailangan prioritize school over the unnecessary things.
Sa pag ginawa namin talaga is to talk to the advisors sa mga teachers nila. Malaki yung naging additional responsibility natin as parents na talagang mas tuturuan natin sila. Kailangan ma-monitor natin kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa school. Kami naman before, ginagawa na talaga namin, pumupunta kami ng school para makausap yung mga advisors, mga teachers. Pero ngayon, mas lalong kailangan siya na if we have a way na talagang to communicate with them, just do so. Maganda naman dito sa school na pasukan ng mga anak namin is talagang meron silang dedicated na schedule for each parent na kung parang ang tawag nila is consultation.
Yeah.
So,
and also, very reachable din ng mga, yun nga, it's a good practice to reach out to the teachers.
So next challenge is yung how we keep them motivated. Nung regular na nag-work ka, sa bahay of course, ang tendency mo is to relax, to feel at home. Pagdating mo ng office, talagang work mode ka na. And that's not the case these days, di ba? Yung workplace mo and yung study place mo, it's just the same place. And it's not easy to change that, especially kung ano yung ginagawa mo na pretty much the rest of your life, di ba? So it's a sudden change na kailangan nating maka-adjust. Ito yung nakikita naming solution dyan. Pwede mong ilagay na checklist kung ano ba yung dapat nilang ma-accomplish sa araw na yon, whether it's module, whether it's project, whether it's activities, and then mark off each one as an achievement every time. Ang maganda rin dito sa pinapasukan ng mga anak namin is yung learning management system nila is naka-design talaga na ganon. Per module, per activity, you can check off, you can see the progress kung okay tapos na ba ito, kung nasubmit na ba ito, kung nandyan ba yung attachment. Kumbaga yun yung mga nagiging daily accomplishment nila, giving them a sense of direction of what to do next and what has been done para you see the progress of. So the next challenge is yung understanding ng mga subjects, ng mga course, diba? In reality, this is also a challenge even sa parents and tsaka sa kahit nung face-to-face na schooling pa tayo. Kasi the education system is evolving, yung mga tinuturo is evolving, especially kapag may mga additional na about technology. Napansin namin yung mga computer subjects nila way advanced compared to nung nag-aaral kami. And even with
grade 5, nagpa-PowerPoint na
PowerPoint na sila.
sila. Grade 3.
There's a lot of video na projects. Lalo na ngayon, nagbablog sila, gumagawa sila ng mga, kumbaga yung mga dating ginagawa nila ng in person, nasa submit, talagang mostly ginagawa nila sa video. So what's the solution? It goes hand in hand with the technical knowledge. Talagang, it's almost like wala tayong choice kundi aralin siya. Like, you have your phone, aralin mo kung paano ka makakuha ng maayos na video for your kids. I've seen parents na they dance with their kids kapag kailangan ng school project. It's really an adjustment. Yun yung ilagay na natin sa isip natin na it's not just our kids who's learning, it's also us who's learning. There's a lot of lessons na tinuturo din yung lessons sa online, sa YouTube.
Mga topic yun na.
Like yung mga GCF.
Mga topic before na nakakalimutan na rin namin.
Oo.
And you need to...
especially sa math.
Tapos minsan nasa kalagitnaan ka ng work, tapos kailangan mo rin siyang balikan para aralin.
Good thing there's also videos na pwede nating balikan.
May mga videos kami na nakikita. Though, ginagawa pa rin naman namin magturo talaga. Pero honestly, ito ang reality. Pag working parent ka, mahirap din naman. Tapos we have 2 kids, and we have toddler, and we have baby to check on. So, hindi mo talaga siya matututukan. So, ano yung pinaka-practical na ginagawa namin is to check online na din.
Kami din, mag-aral din talaga kami.
May mga video sa mga teachers na nagtuturo sila as if parang nasa classroom. Yung specific topic na yun.
Link din namin sa video na to yung ilan sa mga videos na nakita namin. Especially sa math. And
we observe kasi with our kids, they learn faster dun sa modern way. Ibig sabihin, nasa pinapanood nila. Multimedia. Hindi mas effective sila dun sa approach na yun kaysa the traditional teaching. So we leverage on that.
Especially kapag module, talagang hindi naman sa kinikriticize natin, medyo boring talaga na you just read how many pages of lessons. Different people learn at different pace at saka yung method. Kung nag-work sa mga anak ninyo yung pag-aaral sa videos, then please do so. If you can afford a tutor, then you can do as well. It's really exploring ano yung effective sa mga anak ninyo kasi at the end of the day, we're looking at the main objective, which is to learn. Kaya natin ginagawa itong online class na ito.
Mayroon lang, pangalawang makulit.
So last and final na challenge is yung lack of in-person interaction, which unfortunately ayun yung main reason kaya online learning tayo ngayon dahil bawal yung in-person interaction. Ang pinakang magagawa na lang talaga natin is to really expose pa rin yung mga anak natin na to have social engagement kahit online din. Like yung ginagawa namin sa anak ko, nag-voice lesson siya, and yun, mga nag-games din yung mga anak namin. Tinitingnan din namin yung behavior nila while playing games. Kasi a game is one form of socialization. Ang maganda lang is you take advantage. Ano yung magandang makukuha ng benefit doon? Like, for instance nga yung anak ko, she makes a lot of friends online. Pero you also watch out kung sino ba itong mga taong to. Ang tinitingnan ko na lang is, ayun, yung mga actual kilala niya in person, nakakalaro niya, not random strangers. Don't talk to strangers pa rin, especially mga kids. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope may napulot kayong valuable information para naman makatulong sa pag-online class ng mga anak ninyo. And again, if you have questions, you have clarifications, if you have anything to add, just put it in the comment section below. We also have our social media accounts here. As I've said, ililink ko yung mga ilan sa mga nakita kong mga online teachers na I'm guessing mga actual teachers to sa mga schools eh. So malaking tulong siya. So again, my name is Daddy Lester, and on behalf of Mommy na nagpapa-breastfeed ngayon, thank you for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.